Welcome back to day 3 of Vlogmas. I know I'm mad late, but I spent the last week and a half making decorations for my mom's 60th birthday party and decorating the entire house for this party. So you'll see that in another Vlogmas episode. Today, we are making a Grinch DIY garland for the front door. Here's a list of all the potential items you will need for this DIY. If you haven't already, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see what's up for the remainder of Vlogmas. Said that she tied it into the tree, so I don't know if it was taking branches and crossing them, or I guess when we tied at the bottom. I'll most likely be going past Christmas since I'm a week behind, so you're still gonna get all the content. This DIY is fairly straight and to the point. We got this 9-foot garland from At Home, which I am obsessed with that store. For the base of the garland, we started with deco mesh. All the mesh we used we got from the Dollar Tree, and this was left over from the Grinch wreath project. This does the job, but if you like some mesh that doesn't snag too easily, I'd get it from a craft store or online. After laying down different layers of mesh, we went ahead and started putting in some of these lime green feathers to give a pop of color. Very on brand for the Grinch. These peppermint pieces are also all from the dollar store. We use floral wire to help secure them to the Christmas garland. And the last step is just randomly sticking all the sprays, berries, feathers, and more ornaments from Hobby Lobby throughout this garland. For Grinchmas, more is more. So go with your heart's desire and what it tells you to do. And now here is the finished product. I love it. All of these little details make the garland pop. The glittery ornaments and sprays push it over the top. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification button. You'll be updated to when my next Vlogmas installment is uploaded. Well, until next time, babes, bye!